This is the War Brief Daily for June 22nd, 2026. We are covering the Russia-Ukraine theater. Tonight, we are tracking three major developments. First, Russia's overnight missile and drone strike on Ukraine. Second, Ukraine's dual-sided assault on the Kerch Strait, setting oil depots on both sides ablaze and suspending ferry operations. And third, what the ground picture and logistics data tell us about where this war is heading. First, Russia launched a combined strike overnight on June 20 into June 21st. Ukraine's Air Force confirmed via official telegram 2 Iskander-M ballistic missiles, 2 Kh-47M2 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, and 105 UAVs. Air defenses intercepted or jammed 96 of those 105 drones, a 91% intercept rate. 6 confirmed locations were struck. 5 additional sites sustained secondary debris damage. One important caveat: the precise impact locations of the 2 Kinzhal missiles remain unclear. The Air Force stated that information is still being clarified. Hold that uncertainty. Second, Ukraine's unmanned systems forces executed a dual-sided strike on the Kerch Strait. This is confirmed via President Zelensky's statement. Unmanned Systems Forces Commander Brovdy's telegram, Al Jazeera, Militarny, and independent thermal detection from NASA's FIRMS satellite monitoring system. On the Crimean side, Ukraine struck the Agaz terminal oil storage depot at Kerch Port. NASA firms registered a thermal anomaly at 1:29 a.m. local time. On the Russian mainland side at Port Kavkaz, a second oil depot supplying Russian forces across Kherson, Zaporizhia, and Donetsk erupted in flames. The ferry Panagia, used to transport Russian military equipment and air defense components, was struck in the strait itself. Ferry operations were immediately suspended. The Kerch Bridge was closed overnight. 4 people were confirmed killed. Fuel was rationed to government agencies only, with civilian and commercial access cut off. Petrol stations in Krasnodar Krai began shutting down. Third, on the ground, no major territorial changes in the June 20 to 21 window. Positional fighting continued across Zaporizhia, Huliaipole, and Orikhiv. Ukraine's general staff reported Russian losses of 1,290 personnel, 8 tanks, and 93 artillery systems in the past 24 hours. The operational picture is about logistics. Per Commander Brovdy's own reporting, Russian military cargo traffic on the R-280 Novorossiya highway, the land route through Mariupol and Melitopol, dropped 71% from June 11 levels. Russia has formally banned military cargo from the Tavrida highway entirely. Per OilX data, Russian refinery utilization sits roughly 20% below pre-war baseline. Fuel prices in occupied Crimea have reached 130 to 150 rubles per liter, nearly double Moscow rates. Both sides of the Kerch Strait are now burning. The ferry is suspended. The Kerch Bridge is the last major supply artery not yet under direct Ukrainian fire control. That makes it the obvious next watch item. In the next cycle, watch for satellite confirmation of fire damage at the Agaz terminal and Port Kavkaz. Monitor whether Russia attempts to restore ferry service. Watch for Ukrainian follow-on strikes and track Russian retaliation patterns. That's your War Brief Daily for June 22nd, 2026.